Hello, welcome to Dancing Kitchen. Today we are diving into the flavors of fall with a creamy, comforting pumpkin soup. It's simple to make, packed with nutritious ingredients, and perfect for those chilly evenings. Let's get started. First, peel the carrot, which will add a natural sweetness to balance the earthy flavors of the pumpkin. Next, grate the carrot finely. This helps it cook quickly and evenly, infusing the soup with its vibrant color and flavor. Chop the onion into small pieces. This will add a subtle, savory depth to the soup. Now, slice the leek stalk into quarters and chop it finely. Chop the celery leaves and stalks, which will bring a refreshing aromatic note to the soup. Carefully cut off the hard outer skin of the pumpkin. Removing this tough layer make it easier to cook and blend into a smooth, creamy texture. Then slice the pumpkin into small, flat pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. Peel a potato, which will add body to soup, making it heartier and more satisfying. Cut the potato into small cubes. Smaller pieces cook faster and blend more easily, resulting in a smoother soup. Heat up 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a large pot. Add 1 clove of garlic, mash it to the oil. Garlic gives the soup a fragrant, savory kick that enhances all the other ingredients. Fry the garlic until it turns golden brown. Now, add the chopped leeks, which will start to soften and release their mild, sweet flavor. Add the grated carrot. Next, stir in the chopped celery leaves. Season with the 2 tablespoons of salt to bring out the natural flavor of the vegetables. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give everything a good mix, ensuring the vegetables are evenly coated with the spices for maximum flavor. Now add the potato cubes, which will thicken the soup and make it more satisfying. And add the pumpkin pieces, the star of our dish, which will cook down into a smooth, velvety base. Pour in 1 liter of water to help all the ingredients blend together as they cook. Cover the pot and let it simmer on the lowest heat for 40 minutes, allowing the flours to melt and the vegetables to become tender. Once everything is cooked, blend the soup until smooth. These steps transform the cooked vegetables into a creamy, luscious texture. Finally, stir in 1 cup of milk to add richness and a silky finish to the soup. And just like that, your delicious warming pumpkin soup is ready to enjoy. Packed with vibrant flavors and perfect for a hearty meal. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Dancing Kitchen.